Question 8b. What is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey cement bags sold is 6,400? What is the number of white cement bags? So we are asked to find the number of white cement bags. Previous question they gave the number of white cement bags sold and number of grey cement bags sold. But here they gave only the number of grey cement bags sold. We have to find the number of white cement bags. It must sell, the company must sell to have neither profit nor loss. There is no profit, no loss. Then means what? Zero. That is no profit, no loss means nothing. 0 rupees only are getting profit or loss. No profit, no loss they are telling. So 0. So we denote profit in positive integer and loss in negative integer. Cement company earns a profit on selling 1 bag of white cement, rupees 8. We know well. 1 bag of white cement, they are getting profit rupees 8. Then how many number of white cement bags we don't know, children. So let's take that number of white cement bag as X number we sold. We don't know what is that number. So let's take that X number. If you know the cost of, by selling 1 bag of white cement is rupees 8. To find the X number of white cement bag, we multiply. So X into 8, 8x rupees. So by selling X number of bags, X bags of white cement, we are getting 8x rupees. So loss on selling 1 bag of grey cement is minus 5 rupees. So loss on selling 6,400 bags of grey cement, what do we do, children? We multiply. So we are getting minus 32,000. That is, they are losing 32,000 rupees. According to question, to find profit or loss, what do we do? The total profit or loss, we add. So profit plus loss equal to 0. Why did we place here 0? Because neither profit nor loss. So profit amount 8x rupees plus loss amount minus 32,000 equal to 0. 8x plus into minus, we are opening the bracket. 8x minus 32,000 equal to 0. This is equation. Can you remember in 6th standard what you have studied, children? Equation. Here we are solving this equation. Left hand side of the equal sign 8x minus 32,000 and right hand side 0. To solve this equation, we have to separate the variable x. Here the variable is x. So the x is multiplied by 8 and subtracted by 32,000. So first, to solve the equation, we have to separate the variable. So first, let's send the 32,000 right hand side. First, let's send the 32,000 right hand side of the equal sign. If you are going to send this minus 32,000, that is with sign only we are going to send. If you are going to send this minus 32,000 to right hand side, what remains left hand side? 8x equal to, already right hand side 0, we are not disturbing it. This minus 32,000 becomes plus 32,000. That is, this is transposition method. We are transferring the order, that is position of the number, that is transposition method. When you do that, the operation will be changed, the sign will be changed. From left hand side you are bringing this 32,000, it is under subtraction, that is minus 32,000, it is becoming plus 32,000. Then 8x equal to 32,000. Again we are going to send this 8 to right hand side, because solving equation means we have to separate the variable. We have to find the value of the variable. So again we are going to send this 8 to the right hand side. That 8 with variable, it is under multiplication. 8 into x. So when you send this 8 to right hand side, it becomes division. So if you send this 8 to right hand side, what remains? X only. X equal to right hand side already 32,000. We are not changing it. This 8 under multiplication in left hand side. When you bring to right hand side, it is under division. C divided by 8. This transposition means plus will become minus, minus will become plus, multiplication will become division, division will become multiplication. So now we are dividing these values and we are getting 4000. X equal to 4000. What is the meaning of X? Number of cement bag, white cement bag. Earlier, initially we have taken number of white cement bag B X. So that 4000 number of white cement bag only they sold by selling 4000 number of white cement bag, and by selling 6400 number of grey cement bag, the company is having neither profit nor loss. That is, there is no profit, no loss. So to get that no profit, no loss, the company is selling 4000 number of white cement bag and 6400 grey cement bag.